Hi friends, this is Darshan from Global Garner. I would like to help you to know how to refer a vendor and how to complete vendor profile in Global Garner app. As you can see, this is application homepage. Now go to user profile, click on referrals. Change user to vendor and click on refer a vendor. This link can be sent through WhatsApp. Select the contact and send. To your notice, before you be a vendor, first you should be a user of Global Garner. Now you can see the vendor's WhatsApp. Open the link. Referral code is automatically generated. Refer type is user and fill the username and password which was used in creating user profile of same vendor and click on next. In profile information, no changes to be done. Click next. In business details, all the information should be entered carefully. Enter business name, business type, select the type of business, describe your business in business description, enter the address of business location either home or office. Once validate or check all the details entered and click on next. Now in category, select store type B2B business to business, B2C business to customers or both. The Sriram Garments deals with both, so click on both. Now in store details, enter proper store name and store pin code. And pin your store location on map exactly. Click on next. Now in category, as example, Sriram Garments deals with uniforms, so type uniforms and basic commission is 5%. Discuss with the vendor and decide the commission. That should be more than 5%. As you see, I have mentioned 13%. You cannot decrease the percentage given by the GG app. Email verification. Enter email ID and click on send OTP. Enter OTP received in mentioned email ID and click on verify email. Now choose password for your vendor application. Retype the password. Tick the checkbox for agree terms and conditions. Then click submit. Now as you can see, registration for vendor is completed. Log in with your username and password. Once you log in, you need to upload your KYC documents. Here you can enter either of TAN or GST number. If you don't have any, you can proceed next. Since shown in the example, I have GST number, so enter the GST number and upload the GST document from your phone gallery and click submit. Go to documents, select add documents. Now choose the document name from Dropbox and upload the mentioned document and click apply. Now install the app from the top mobile symbol, either from Google Play Store or App Store. For your referral, the application name is Vendor Global Garner. Now you can see the app installed in your mobile phone. Now click on the app icon and log in with same credentials. In home screen, you see HO approval is pending. Any changes to be done further can be done in user profile. Go to category management, press agree once the HO approval and store approval is done. For approval, you have to send email to nikhil@globalgarner.com in the format given. Dear Nikhil, please approve this vendor. Vendor name, email ID and vendor code which is received in the email, and send the email. After approval, the home page is as shown. After approval, go to Dropbox, click on stationery, then click on category QR. Download this QR, display in your shop, and ask your customers to upload the bill through this QR code. Thank you.